Hello student, please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Here we will find out equivalent weight of copper when it react with oxygen. Okay, so all question can be this when they are metal react with oxygen. So see here, Cu plus half O2 gives you CuO. Here half of O2 means 16 part of O2 and 1 mole of this will be 63.5 part we'll see. So it will give you 1 part of CuO and they are asking the equivalent weight of Cu in CuO. So we have to see like this. At that moment what we have to say that 16 part of oxygen combined with 63.5 parts by mass of copper. So 8 parts of oxygen will combine with how much? It will be 31.75 parts. That is 63.5 divided by 2 here. So it will be 31.75. So it means equivalent weight of copper in CuO is 31.75. Clear to you how many parts are combining with oxygen? So here, and this is the standard, the part which is combining with the 8 parts of oxygen will decide the equivalent weight of the element in the oxide. For oxides, metal oxide I can say. For metal oxide, equivalent weight will be equivalent weight of metal in metal oxide can be decided by how many 8 parts of oxygen will combine with how many parts, we can say how many grams of that metal. Here we are discussing about copper. Now see here, copper 2 oxide we will see in Cu2O. So twice of Cu plus half O2 gives you Cu2O. So here 2 parts we will say, 2 parts means 2 into 63.5. Okay, and half O2 means 16 parts. Okay, if O2 will be there, then it will be 32 grams. But here instead of grams, we are saying parts. Okay, so it will combine and will give you 16 parts. Now, statement is ready. 16 parts of oxygen combined with 2 into 63.5 parts of copper. So 8 parts, this is the standard. 8 parts of oxygen combined with, we will simplify it and answer will be 63.5 grams. So this is the equivalent weight of copper in Cu2O. See how the difference, equivalent weight of copper in CuO is 31.75, half of 63.5, and equivalent weight of copper in Cu2O is here 63.5 grams. Clear? So equivalent weight of copper will be double in Cu2O than the CuO. Clear? Here half of 63.5 and it is 63.5. Clear to you? All the best. This is for all metal oxide we have to treat like this. 8 parts of oxygen